Hello, everybody. Welcome to our call today. It is Wednesday, December 12th. I know I sent an email out this morning and kind of got that wrong. We are taking a little different journey today. So we're going I'm just trying to get on our page here on Facebook so I can follow along. That's always the best thing to do. Where are we? There we are. All right, I want to share me on my timeline because that's always important. And we are good to go. So how is everyone doing today? Are you having just a phenomenal day? I hope you are. I'm so excited for our call, hoping they get the room sorted. Dawn, you can let me know. I posted in the Now Lifestyle main group, and you can let me know what Joel's saying there. Hopefully they'll get that sorted. I don't know what's going on with my room, but anyway, today we're going to have like I said, a little bit of a different call. I'm going to talk a little bit about who Dawn and I are, where we came from, how we got here, why you'd want to listen to us, and then we're going to get into our training on the Team to Profit Custom Funnel. So before we get started, I know that Maureen and Bonnie are both using the funnel. Anyone else? Anyone else using the funnel? I just want to say hello. Hello. There we go. I'm glad you like that song. Anyone else here using the custom funnel? I've changed the pages. You're going to see that today. I'm getting really phenomenal results with it, so I'm pretty excited about it. But let's start with who are Janet and Dawn Legere. Well, you know what? We have been around a while. Dawn and I have been online since 1999, like the last century. That's a little scary, isn't it? We've just passed our 19-year mark online. We're into our 20th year, and we've learned a thing or two over the years. We're pretty excited to share all of that with you. We really are a very fun-loving couple. Anybody who's met us can tell you that we are. We just like to have fun, and we have fun in our business. We have fun in everything we do, and it reflects in our business and in our life. So we have a lot of a really good time here, and we enjoy the successes that we've had, and we've had many successes over the years. And I got to tell you, I mean, it wasn't always easy. We've had times when our business went down the tank and we had zero income. We've really struggled over the years in some areas because things happen. This is the internet. You guys all know that, right? Stuff happens on the internet. There's stuff that goes on that we have no control over. And so it's really important. One of the things we learned over the years was how to adapt. And one of the major thing that I learned over the years that has really made a difference in our business is building our list. I learned very early on when we had the first disaster in our business that I had everything I needed to continue on and to build a business because I had been building my list. And so I've been teaching other people the same strategies ever since. And I know most of you are on that path as well. Thank you, Dawn. Really appreciate that. If you can let the people in our group know that we're open and come on in, they can try again. The room should let them in. Thank you. Anyway, Dawn and I met Joel Tarian, the creator of Now Lifestyle, back in early 2000, if you can believe it, with his tools and resources that he had. In 2003, we started using, actually 2002, we started using his technology, the conferencing technology just like this. And 2 years ago, Joel came out with his baby, his pride and joy. And then, we've been involved in all of his tools and resources, GVO, Pure Leverage, Got Backup, everything that he's been involved in, we've been involved in. And when he came out with Now Lifestyle, it just seemed like a logical place to go because where else can I find a network marketing company in the health and wellness industry that was internet marketing friendly and offered me all the tools and resources I needed to build a business. And that's what Now Lifestyle offers you. What do Dawn and I offer you? Well, we offer you some simple training, some simple steps to help you duplicate the process, to help you stay on track. We offer you lots of support, lots of love, and we're here to guide you and direct you on a path to success. That's our goal. Our goal is to help you become successful with Now Lifestyle, to make money with Now Lifestyle, and to grow your business so that you can live the life that you want to live. That's what we're here for, right? So we're going to get into our training here right away, and we're going to talk about the Team to Profit Now Lifestyle Funnel and what it is, how it works, and then we're going to go into desktop sharing, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your funnel. Okay, so it'll be a little bit challenging because we're going to use my Conversion Pro website, which has a lot of capture pages, but we'll make it work. All right, you guys go. Are we all up for that? You good? So the Conversion Pros is a third-party capture page system. So it's a program where you can go and create a capture page for any business you want. We are using it for Now Lifestyle. I have to tell you, I use it for several programs. I've got several capture pages up that work very well to bring people through my funnel. I'm going to, pardon me, sneeze. No use unclicking the talk button because it's live on Facebook anyway. We're recording. The Team to Profit funnel is going to generate signups for the Conversion Pros, for Now Lifestyle, and for Team to Profit. And when they join Team to Profit, of course, as you know, they're going to be introduced to our downline builder, where we have several other tools and resources that we're using to get traffic to our websites and to build our business. And so what's going to happen when you use our funnel, you're going to create that magic word, multiple streams of income. Who's up for that? Because you're going to create income with the Conversion Pros, you're going to create income with Now Lifestyle, you're going to create income at Team to Profit through the tools and resources that we use. The Conversion Pros is not free. It is $50 a month to use the system. There is a free trial that we encourage our visitors to go through when they join. So they get that free trial so they can set up their system, they can get traffic going, they can see how it works. And I can tell you right now, if somebody sets up the system the way we're training them to do, if you that's watching this webinar set up the system the way we're training you to do, and you send traffic to that capture page, you are going to get signups. Guarantee it. Your list is going to start to grow, and you will have a really great start of people to start following up with. The things you're going to need for this system are very simple. You're going to need your username for the Conversion Pros once you sign up. You're going to need your username for Now Lifestyle, your ID number for Team to Profit, and the shared codes. The shared codes are all located on our Team to Profit blog. So the flow of Now Lifestyle funnel is very simple. There are 4 different pages. Okay, so there are 5 codes that you have, a code for the autoresponder, and then we have 4 pages. At TCP, they are called landing pages, but those landing pages can be anything. They can be an opt-in page or a bridge page where you send people to get more information, and so that's what we have. The very first page is an opt-in page where we capture your visitor's email address and their name. So that's important. I like to collect their name. I know that some people would like to have a page that just takes email address, but personally, I want their name, and I haven't had any trouble. I forgot to change this. I thought I changed it. I have a different page I'm using other than this one with a different background that is working way better, and I thought I had changed that picture, but my apologies. I guess I didn't. But that's the page. The wording is there. I want to thank Will for putting this original funnel together. We've had to make some changes because there was a bug in the Conversion Pro system, converting from the old system to the new system. And when I went in to edit the capture pages we had, it erased everything I had. So they had a bug. So I had to go and recreate everything thanks to Will. That was actually pretty easy. So we've used kind of the same words and just change things up a bit. I am seeing about a 55% opt-in rate with this page and the other pages I have. They're all working exceptionally well, but I have the one I'm using right now, which is a little different than this, is seeing about a 55% opt-in rate. So once they put in their name and their email address, now they are redirected to our first bridge page, which introduces them to Now Lifestyle. And I just put it in the wrong place. if you're watching this replay, you know what? It just shows how real we really, really are. Okay, and there are we have lots of capture pages, but this is the capture page you're going to be setting up. Okay, and I have to tell you that it is converting crazy. All right, I'm getting tons of opt-ins. I love the background. You know, sitting there with your computer, because that's really, let's face it, isn't it what we're doing? I mean, this is kind of the most honest picture we could have. Once they fill out their form, they're taken to the first bridge page. Oh, see, I've got these out of whack. I changed the wrong picture. Okay, so we have two bridge pages. The first bridge page looks kind of like this. You'll see it when we go through the system, okay? So I do apologize that I screwed up my slides. That's what happens when I leave things to the last minute. It's all right. Pull a rabbit out of my hat. The other page looks just like this. It has a video that explains Now Lifestyle and encourages them to sign up, and it has instructions. So I'm really sorry that I removed the wrong page because I wanted you to see that. But I will show you the pages when we go into live desktop sharing. All right, because the first bridge page has instructions that talks and tells them to go and sign up. All right, just like this page does. Does that make sense to you guys? So we're going to be creating these bridge pages individually, and they all lead one to the other. So the other one says first program and the next step, and then so they fill out the first program, they go to the next step brings them here. On the next step, they learn about the system, which is the Conversion Pros, and they are taken to the setup page. And on the setup page, we have a link to the instructions. So I have a link now. This is the new setup page. This will look different to anybody who's done this before. So I've changed it up a bit. There's a link to your Team to Profit website. So that's the one thing you're going to be changing on this page. And there's a link to the Team to Profit Custom Funnel instructions. So that is what I would call a permalink. That just takes them to the blog. Once I get those instructions inside Team to Profit on a permanent page, we will simply direct them to Team to Profit to get those instructions. Okay? Make sense? So that video that you see on the page there will get replaced with this video that we're doing now. And I will have get those instructions up as soon as we're done this call. So let's go through the flow of how you're going to do this. Okay, so it's not hard. I remember the first time we did this, Maureen was on the call and she was just sitting here with like a deer caught in the headlights going, oh my God, that sounds complicated. That sounds way too hard. And I said, you know what, Maureen, just trust me. I say that a lot, right? Trust me, follow my instructions. And she did. And she set up her page without any trouble. And now she's discovering that the Conversion Pros is a pretty powerful system. So the first thing you're going to do is set up your autoresponder campaign. We're going to show you how to do that. Then you're going to copy the code for the follow-up messages. There are 10 follow-up messages. They'll go right into your system. So you don't have to add them. They're added for you. But you do need to edit them. So this will take the longest amount of time, the most amount of time in your system is editing your follow-up messages. Once you've done that, you're going to now create the capture page and the bridge pages. So there are 4 pages in all. You're just going to copy all of them at the same time. So we're going to show you that when we go into desktop sharing. Then you're going to edit the capture page and the bridge pages. So you need to edit it for, you know, your form that you're going to use. You need to edit it for the links that are on the pages so that everything is directing to you. All right, so we're going to go through that in desktop sharing as well. Then you need to test your funnel. So once you've got everything set up, you need to go to your capture page, fill out the form, and make sure that everything is working. And then the magic happens. You just send traffic to your capture page, either with Udemy solo ads or the new Alessandro solo ad in our Team to Profit back office, or MLM leads. So all 3 of those resources are available inside Team to Profit. You guys with me so far? I hope I haven't lost anyone. So all of the steps are listed in the Team to Profit website. So when you log into Team to Profit, those are our 5 magic steps that keep people on track. This custom funnel is optional. All right, you don't need this custom funnel in order to build Now Lifestyle, but what we found is that it's creating some excitement, it's building you a new list, and it's creating some movement in the system and some additional income streams. So you can focus strictly on Now Lifestyle. Everything is done for you with Now Lifestyle. You can buy guaranteed paid signups, you can buy Facebook leads, and you can simply build the Now Lifestyle system. If you want to be more creative and create multiple income streams, then you're going to go to the bottom of the page and you're going to follow our instructions to set up the Conversion Pros and set up your custom funnel. Pretty simple, isn't it? And that's it. So now we're going to go into desktop sharing. And I don't need to be there. I need that. I need that. All right. There we go. I'm just going to close some of these other links that I had. Where am I going here? Desktop sharing. I'm having one of those days, guys. Are you guys getting ready for Christmas? Are you ready for Christmas? Because it's getting pretty close to being ready around here. You guys should be seeing my desktop now. And hello to everybody on Facebook. Great to see you calling in. All right, you can all see me on does it show me? No. All right. So we're going to go, I've got my list here. The first place we're going to go to is into our Team to Profit website. So you should be seeing this. I'm just following along on Facebook here. So hopefully everything is working properly. So you're going to log in. If you're not a member of Team to Profit, it's just at team2profit.com, or contact your sponsor and get their personal link so that you can sign up under them. The purpose of Team to Profit is specifically our downline builder. It's a place where you're going to learn my training. So you're going to learn what I do on the internet. It doesn't mean you have to follow what I do. It's simply where I offer my training. Okay. So at Team to Profit is where I offer my training. Inside Team to Profit, we have what we call a downline builder. So I'm just logging into Team to Profit. Once I'm logged in here, you'll see here under affiliates, we have what we call our downline builder. And as you saw on the first page, here's a video that explains the system, how to set up our Team to Profit system. And at the bottom is our advanced training for the custom funnel. Okay, so we're going to come back up here to affiliates, to our downline builder, because this is where you need to go to begin the setup process. Because the first thing you need to do is scroll down here. If you aren't a member of Now Lifestyle, make sure you click here and sign up under your sponsor. You're going to scroll down here, right here, World's Best Capture Page Creator. This is the Conversion Pros. And so you're going to come here to sign up. So you're going to click here to sign up. It's going to bring you to this website, all right, that explains the Conversion Pros, and you can sign up for free. So it sets you up as a trial member. You get 7 days for free, and then you'll be paying the $50 a month. Okay, once you've set up your system, you're going to come back in here, and you're going to enter your username for the Conversion Pros here. So you're going to enter your username, and then you're going to come down here and click Update Referral IDs. And the reason you do this is so that when you bring new members from Now Lifestyle into Team to Profit, or if they come through your funnel and they join Team to Profit, they're going to come into the downline builder and they will get your link. So they will sign up for the Conversion Pros with you. If you put your Now Lifestyle URL here or ID, they will sign up in Now Lifestyle with you. So hopefully that makes sense. All right, so we've got our Conversion Pros. So what we need to do is come to, I'm just going to close that page. We need to come here and we need to log into the Conversion Pros. So here we are. This is just the conversionpros.com. We're going to click login. And it comes down here and it wants your username. All right, come on. There we go. And then you click the arrow, okay, to go to next. And then you enter your password and click login. So every place you go to, every membership site, their login is a little bit different. Now, when you log into the back office of the Conversion Pros, just like any other program, There are a million and one links. There are a million and one things to do. If you want to, by all means, take the time to watch the Getting Started videos with the Conversion Pros so that you can understand how the Conversion Pros works, or you can just follow my steps to set up our funnel and see how simple that is. But you'll see there's videos here on how to build your biz and videos here on how to build the Conversion Pros. And so today, we're basically going to be following this on Build Your Biz. So we're going to come down here. Everything we're doing is under the TCP marketing suite. So I'm just going to click on that so that it opens up this drop down menu. Normally, once you do this, when you log in next time, that will already be open. So the first thing we're going to do here is that we're going to set up our autoresponder. And one of the things we need, I need to come back over to here. Sorry, guys. No, I need my blog post. I'll bear with me. T2P Custom Funnel. Just want to come to our blog post here so that I can get our shared codes, and hopefully I've edited this one. Yes, I did. Okay, so here are the shared codes. This is on the blog post. It's also on step 3, the third capture page, which we will go through and check all those pages. So the first thing though that we have to do is this autoresponder. So if it gets to all of this through the funnel, they're going to be taken to that last page which has all the instructions, right? So this is just for all of our Team to Profit members who are not yet part of all this. So here is the autoresponder code. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come over here to the Conversion Pros, and I'm going to click on Autoresponder Builder. Now, I have a lot of campaigns already set up, as you're going to see here. All right, I am actually going to delete this because I'm going to set that up again. All right, so I have, here's my NLS prospects. I made one up for Don, so he has his own account. But what you're going to do, none of this will be here, all right, because you're new. And if you've already been using the Conversion Pros, then it will look something like this. You're going to click on here, Create New Autoresponder, because this is the first step. It's going to be inactive until you activate it. We're going to leave it that way until we have everything set up. So we're going to call prospects for T2 for the funnel. Custom funnel. Just because I want to name it something different. I can give it a description if I want, but I don't need to. That's optional. And then I'm going to hide this. And then once I do that, I click submit. And it has saved it. And so now here we are back at our autoresponder. Now we need to set up the messages, okay? So we're going to come here to email series. We're going to click on email series. And you see this thing here says create a new message. We're not going to click on that. We're going to click on this little arrow that's going to bring the drop down menu for use share code. So I'm going to click on that. I have the share code copied into my memory. So there's the share code. Now watch this magic. Bing, bada boom. We have 10 messages all set up for you. So once you're here, now your job, this is the biggest job of all of this setup, is you need to come in here and you're going to click edit, and it brings up your message right here, and you're going to change this. So let's say that this is Dawn's account, or maybe it's Bonnie's account. I can make this Bonnie's account. NLS Bonnie Waters. We're gonna put Bonnie at bonniewaters.com. We need an email address there. Whatever your email is going to be, you're going to come down here into the email, and you need to check every email, okay? Because there are links like right here. Here is a hyperlink that is going to go to a page for them to sign up. So you see how I mouse on that? Then this came up. I'm going to click on the insert edit link, and it has the Now Lifestyle page, and I would go in here and I would put Bonnie, I believe it's with capital Bonnie Waters, okay? And then this link is the blog post. So if you look at it, This is the blog post, so the Team to Profit funnel. That is a permanent link. That's not going to change. But she would come down here and she's going to edit her name. I'm not going to activate this account, so it's okay. Bonnie Waters. I see I messed that up. I need to put a space there. There we go. She would put her Skype ID. I'm just going to play here, right? I'm going to pretend it's Bonnie. And then she's going to put her phone number, whatever it might be. This is not her phone number. Okay. She might want to put her Facebook. Maybe she wants to put her Facebook page. And then she would want to hyperlink that. So if you want to hyperlink a link, you just copy, you highlight the whole link. I want that link. Whoops. Hang on here. It's the link I'm going to actually use. So I just went Control-C to copy it. And then I'm going to come up here and click this link. And now I can put that link in there and say okay. And you'll see now it's hyperlinked. Okay. And then once I'm done, I click Save. Okay. And it stays up here, so don't worry about that. Now we're going to scroll down to the second one. Now I recommend that if you have a notebook, you write down the numbers 1 to 10, and as you complete each one, you can come to the next one so you don't forget which ones you've done. So you're going to click at it. Make sure you check the from name, right? So I would change that to Bonnie. I would have to change her email address, right? So you're going to have to put your email address in here. Make sure you get it right. You don't need to change the subject unless you want to. But again, look in here. So grab the free biz with NLS. I need to change that link. All right, so I would have to put Bonnie Waters. Come down here, the done for you system. This is going to be the TCP page that you haven't created yet, but you're going to. And you're going to put your TCP username here. Oh, come on. Sometimes my keyboard just doesn't want to work. We'll do it this way. There we go. Oh, I see what happened. It put it there. I was in the wrong place. All right. I fixed it. All right. So now you'll see that these links will all make sense once we set them up. Grab group face page on Facebook. I'm going to show you the link, but that link wouldn't change. That takes them to our Team to Profit group on Facebook. And then again, she's going to want to put her information in. What she might want to do is copy your signature so that you don't have to type it in every time. Okay. And whatever our phone number is. Okay. And then Facebook if we want. And when we're done, we click Save. And then we move down to number 3. You'll see it comes up, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to change the name, change the email. We're going to look in here. So here's NLS Biz. I click on it, change the hyperlink, right? Then I'm going to scroll down here. Make sure you grab the free biz first. So I'm going to click on that. And again, I'm going to have to change my link. And here's the done for you funnel. And it takes them there. So you would have to change your ID here. All right, and then click OK, and once you're done, you click Save. All right. So that's it for setting up your autoresponder. Make sure you change and edit every single email that's in here. And then once you're done, all right, you're going to come back here to Details, and you're going to activate this campaign. So we're going to click Active, and we're going to Submit. All right, so now we're ready. Now we're ready to add that to our capture page. Our autoresponder is all set up. So now we're going to go to the next step. So this one gets to be a little bit fun. So we're going to come down here to Landing Page Builder, which is under your TCP Marketing Suite. I'm going to scroll down here. As you can see, I have a few landing pages. All right. So if you're new to Conversion Pros, you're not going to have this big list of capture pages. And this is where I'm going to run into a little bit of a challenge with you guys. And I hope that you're really paying attention. When you set up your capture pages, they're going to have the names that are set up with the codes. All right. When I do it here, because I already have those pages set up, I'll just show you. All right, so here's the pocket page, money in your pocket. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So there it is. Okay, it's already set up. Here is the second page. I'm just going to show it to you. You can see how cool is that one. Okay, I love this page. So welcome to the first step. Check your inbox, join the first program, come back and go to the next step. And then if I come back to the first page, this is the done for you system. So if I click on that, I'll show you the third. Here's the third landing page. So this talks about the Conversion Pros, where they sign up for the Conversion Pros, and then they go to the setup, and the setup is right here. So I click here, and there's the setup. So these are the 4 pages we're going to create, and then we're going to edit. Okay, so I'm going to come back to the room here, or back to the page, and see down here at the bottom of the page, it might be hard to see, but it says, I'm going to make that a little bigger, it says share code. So I'm going to come back to my blog, and I've got 4 share codes here, so I'm just going to copy. And I just want to say something here, you really need to make sure that that code is going in without spaces, okay? See, there's no space in front, no space behind, and I'm going to click copy page. You can preview it if you wish. Make sure you have the right one. All right, so that's been copied. I'm going to come back to my blog. And I'm going to get the next capture. Whoops, I got to make sure I don't have any spaces in there. There we go. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come back to the Conversion Pros at the bottom. I'm going to put in my next code, and I'm going to copy that page. I keep going to the wrong page. Let me close that. Then I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to grab the third page. Copy page. And then I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to copy the last page. And then the fun begins. Copy page. All right. Now I'm going to refresh this page. So I'm going to click this little arrow, or this little circle thing, so that it's going to show all of my pages, and here they are. Okay, so you'll notice that the first page is called Pocket, but because I already have them set up, it's called mine Pocket 3. My NLSfree, because I already have it set up, it put a 1 behind it. My second page, that put a 2, that put a 1 behind it. So you see how it's changed the name? Doesn't matter, because you can actually name them anything you want, but in your emails, it is the correct link. All right, when you bring these up, if you've never done it before, this will be called Pocket, this will be called NLSfree, this will be an NLS 2.1, and this will be NLS 3.2. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, so we're going to come down here to our first page, the Pocket page, and we're going to click Edit. When you click Edit, it opens in a new window. There's our beautiful page, and over here are our setup, or our edit buttons. Now this is in the new format, not the old format, so it is a little bit different. So the first thing we have to do, because we have an opt-in box here, we need to select the campaign. So here it says Mail Campaign. It's going to be a drop-down menu. If it's your first time in the Conversion Pros, there's probably only one campaign. So here it is, NLS Prospects. So you can see here, if I didn't already have that set up, your page is actually going to say Pocket. Okay, that's how it's going to look. It's going to say Pocket. I have to leave mine at 3 because I already have multiple set up. So I'm going to change my thing, and I'm going to save this before I do anything else. And now we need to edit our campaign, or our redirect link on our opt-in form. So what happens is when somebody fills out this form, they're redirected to another page. We have to tell them where to go. So we're going to click on, there are 2 things we need to do here. We're going to click on Style Form. Right? No, that's not where I want to go. I'm on my form. We're going to click on Edit Content. Ignore that last message. This is the form we want. You could choose another one if you want, but don't recommend it. This is the form you want. Custom redirect, and you can see here it's taking them to NLSfree. See, it's got the right link. And so then you're going to go here, and you're going to put your username, Bonnie Waters. All right. And then once you're done that, I'm not sure why it's, and then you're going to see it won't let me do it because it doesn't recognize Bonnie. And I think it's Bonnie J. Waters. No. Anyway, I'll put mine back in there. Right, so it has to be a valid link. For some reason, it's not liking my link. It won't let me save. Maybe that has to be an S. Oh, there we go. It just had to be an S. For some reason, I was missing my S. All right, so I could change that now to Bonnie. It'll go green when it's ready, when you have the right link. All you need to change is the username right here, okay, to your username for the Conversion Pros. All right. So we're not sending them to Conversion Pros on the next page. We're sending them to the NLSfree page, which we're going to edit next. So that's all we need to edit here. All right, everything else is set up. You just see how when you mouse over everything, the boxes come up. So you could change all this, but you don't need to. If you want to change the words, you can, but you don't need to. You're going to come to the form. You're going to click Edit Content. You're going to choose this form and fix your URL. Click Save. Then you have to come here and click Save Lander because it hasn't been saved till you do that. And that one is done. Okay. Now we're going to come to the next one, which is NLSfree. We're going to click Edit. And here is the first bridge page. So this page introduces them to Now Lifestyle and to the next step. So we don't need to change anything here because there is no mail campaign. What we need to change is the first program link and the next step link. So we're going to click on first program, Style A. We're going to click on the Style button. And it brings up this attribute editor. And over here is link. And here's the link. So here's Now Lifestyle. So I would want to, if this was Bonnie's page, I would come in here and change this to Bonnie. Okay, Bonnie. So that now go to Bonnie's URL. Then I come over to the next step. Oh, I have to stop editing. You have to finish that before you can do the next one. Then I come over to next step, Style A. So it's the style we're editing. Click the link, and you need to put your Conversion Pros username right here. And I know that this is very small. I can't make it. Oh, there we go. Make it a little bigger. All right, so you're just putting your username in there. You're going to stop editing. You don't need to change any of this unless you want to. If you want to edit the text, you just click Edit Content, and you can edit that text. If you want to change the name on this first program to First Step, as Rob did, you would just click Edit Content, and then now you could change that. Okay, so we're gonna, I could put First Step instead of First Program, and then I could click Save Lander. And so that's page 2 done. So now when they fill out the form, they would go to this page. Now let's come back here. We have to do the next page, which is the system. So we're going to click Edit. And the same thing. The only thing we have to change are these two links. So we're going to go here on the system. We're going to Style A, link. And you're going to put your username for the Conversion Pros here, because this is the link for them to sign up for a free account with the Conversion Pros. So you need to put your username there. And then when we go to then I have to stop editing once you've changed it. Then you're going to click here on the setup. Whoops, stop. And you're going to click Style A. See, it's okay, you can't break it. You're going to click link. And again, you're going to enter your username here. Bonnie's name here. Now it would change it to hers. All right, stop editing. Once you're done, you click Save Lander, and you're done. There's nothing else you need to change on that page. And now we have the final page, the setup page. So we're going to click on Edit on the setup page. And here we just have this link that we want to change. If you want to add your name in here, your contact info, you can. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But here we just want to change this link. So we're going to go Style A, link. And all you need to change at the end here is the number. Okay, so you put your whatever your ID number is for the team to profit. Click stop editing. Click save lander. That's all you need to do for that page. Okay, so that's it. Now I do want to show you one more thing, but I'm going to come back into the conference room. Here we are. Your username in the Conversion Pros is the username you created when you registered with the Conversion Pros. It's the username that you use when you log into the system. Okay, so any questions on that setup? Because what I want to do now is I want to show you how to change the background. All right, the background picture on the pages, because you know what, you might want to use a different one, and I have lots of different backgrounds happening on the pages, and I'm getting really good response with all of them. But no questions so far? All right, so let's go back to this page. All right, so there's our capture page. I really like this background, but I can change it, and you can do this on any of them. Any of the pages we go to that are in edit mode, they're all over here. Okay, over here you have pick background, and so I can just click pick background, and it brings up all these pictures. So they're all in categories, so you can come down here, you can look through all the categories. You could do a fitness one. If you go down further, there's health, so you could do a health one. What was the other one I saw that there's holiday ones, women, weight loss. So there's lots of different ways you could do the other one is computers. We got mobile. I mean, it really is a mobile business. Whatever background you want to do. Okay. So which page was that we were changing? That was the opt-in page. I'm going to close this and check. Okay, the first page. So I'm going to check the background. So this is the page that's introducing them to Now Lifestyle. I might want to put a fitness page, a fitness picture back there. You'll see that there's lots of different pictures. This is the picture I have up there right now. But, here's a picture just tying up her running shoe. Here's somebody that's, shows their back all muscular. Here's a great one. It kind of fits in with Now Lifestyle. So you click on it, and then this is for on your cell phone. So what picture you want it to show up, so you could only show part of it, or you could have it right in the middle. And then you click confirm that this is the one you want, and you'll see now it has a different background. I put it on there, go, yeah, I don't really like that, so I'm going to go choose another background. So this time maybe I want to put a computer there, because this is really a laptop kind of business, isn't it? And this is the one I had chosen for before. I could put a Facebook thing back there. Yeah, I don't see anything here. I think I really want to go back to like health and wellness. Go into our fitness categories. Here's a good one with the girl stretching out. I can confirm that. Now see, that's quite a nice one. So I could just save that. And now, if I go back to the Conversion Pros and I go to this page, you'll see it has a new background. All right, so you can put any background you want. Where is my opt-in page? Here's my opt-in page. I can go pick a different background on my opt-in page, which is a laptop. So I could go to my computer page pictures here, because really that's what this is. We want to promote a laptop kind of lifestyle. So you'll see this all. I love this one. I have a page with this picture. It's a fellow on his laptop with his dog sitting beside him. It's kind of a cool picture. Let me put that up so you can see it, and you can choose where you want this. Maybe you want a little doggy there. So you can see there it is. So we've changed it. We can save it. Now we can go back to our lander here, which was this one, and see what it looks like with the, oh, wrong page. Sorry guys, I love to confuse you guys. The pocket, and here it is with the different background. Okay, so you can change those backgrounds on the fly. You can change them in, if your page isn't working really, really well, try the background first before you change anything else. So there's only one more thing I want to show you guys in here. Now that you've got this all set up and your advertising, we'll show you in Team to Profit where to find your advertising. So you're going to start getting leads. I am seeing 50 to 55% opt-in rate with those capture pages. If you're getting anything less, you need to check your resources. So if you're looking for your contacts, if we go here to Autoresponder Builder, this is where it lists all your campaigns, and you'll see that it tells you how many contacts. So my capture page at this point has brought in 1,700 contacts in a very short time. So I can go here, I can click edit. That will take me to my campaign. And from here, all right, there's two things I can do. I can go and look up my contacts. And here they are. Now some of them have left phone numbers, which is pretty cool. So these are my contacts. They're all listed here. I can look somebody up if I want. I can search them. And this is what's really important. I can send an email broadcast. You can send 2 broadcasts a day. So he does limit you, which prevents spam. You can use a previous message, which is what I like to do. So my last message I sent was, when can we chat? I could edit that message. Now this is important, okay? If you're using a message you already have, it says you can't edit this message. That's fine. I want to use this message because here's my signature file. I want to keep that, and I want to keep this link. I just want to reword this message. So what I'm going to do is come here and say create new message. That you're editing a message. Would you like to keep its content and start a new message? Yes. So I say okay. And so now that message is here. I can click this. I can say available today. Really need to learn to type. All right, put your fingers in the right place on the keyboard, Janet. All right, I can tell it to go out at a different time if I want. So I could come in here and set up multiple broadcasts. I can change my content. I may just keep it the way it is for now. There we are. I've got everybody there. I'm sending them to my personal blog. You may want to do that, but you can change that message so then I can save that and it will get sent out as soon as I've saved it. All right, so I'm not going to send it out right now. You can see that my last email had 86 opens and 24 clicks. So out of 86 people that opened it, 24 of them clicked it. That's like a lot. All right, that's like 25%, 30%. I'm pretty excited about that clicked the link once they opened it. All right, I'm going to come back in the room. I'm going to come out of desktop sharing for now. Yeah, background videos are okay. You got to be careful with that because they take longer to load. I have to ask how come I have to keep doing that. All right. So that's really it for today with the custom funnel. Any questions on that? Any questions on how to set it up, how to use it, how it works? Are you impressed? Do you like it? It's pretty simple to do. It all starts at Team to Profit. So when you log into Team to Profit, you'll find all the instructions there. I will be working on the blog post that has the written instructions. I will get this video up right away so that we have the current setup instructions available for everybody, and I will get the written instructions on the blog hopefully by the end of today. Although we've got a busy day going today, so it may not happen till tomorrow. But I will get that up there as soon as possible. I already have all the pictures done, so I've taken snapshots of the whole process along the way, and that's ready to go. So no questions? Well, we got through that right on time, which is awesome. If there aren't any questions, I'm going to dismiss class for the day and wish you guys all the best. Remember, this is not difficult, okay? You just set up the page, then send traffic to it. I'm having great success in Udemy. Also, Alessandro's solo ads are working really well. At the end of the day, it's about you taking action and doing this. The system works. You just have to work the system. So if there's anything I can do to help, find me on Facebook. You guys know where to connect with us. Really appreciate you guys being here. This business is the simplest business I've ever seen on the internet to build. It really and truly is. It still requires that you do things. It's not a sit and build business unless you invest and you're buying guaranteed paid signups and Facebook leads. But again, It's not a sit and build business. It's a business you need to get yourself involved in. You need to be learning how to do the follow up. You need to learn how to invest in your business. And we're here to help you do that. Contact us on Skype, mobile, Facebook. We are here to help, always available. And if I'm out and about, I have you guys on my phone, so always easy to access. You guys have yourselves a great day. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. We'll be back here next week. Then we're probably going to take a little break for Christmas, but looking forward to getting you guys going for the Christmas holidays. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for being here. Bye for now.